guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome, and if you're regular, thank you for stopping back by. As you guys can see by the title, today I am unboxing my iPhone 11 Pro. You guys, I've been like waiting for this moment. This is actually like the best birthday gift from me to me, you know. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. Oh my, so guys, like, okay, what I'm gonna do, actually I'm just gonna do like the first impression because I'm opening it on camera. You guys, I'm so super oh my god, you guys, it's even like, it's so sealed. So what did I got? Anyway, so this is actually what I got as well. I'm not sure what is this. Oh, I get this pouch which is like see-through, but because it's for free, I'm super happy. Oh, this is actually a screen protector. Honey, I'm okay, like I still need to figure this with how I should install it. And this is my iPhone. Okay, this is actually my iPhone. Okay guys, thank you for your purchase. Don't forget to tag us on here. Okay. Yo, I am so excited. Like, what if I open the phone and then it just says welcome to Samsung? Oh my god. No, wait, hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me just remove this. I want to remove this and then guys, I can't believe this is my phone. It's my phone. Oh, three cameras, guys, three, and okay, let me take a thumbnail. Okay, this is gonna be my thumbnail. So guys, I'm gonna open it with you as I've been doing. I'm scared. Okay, I think it's upside down. you guys, it's legit. 3 cameras. Why it's not focusing? I want you guys to see 3 cameras. I get. Oh, I'm such a bad unboxer anyway. So guys, okay, before I actually get into a phone, so we have earphones. These are actually normal earphones, but the packaging is so cute. It looked like some iPod or whatever, but it's actually like some earphones. iPhone earphones. Okay, and then we have some adapter for the charger, and then we have the cable for iPhone as well. iPhone 11 Pro, not just any iPhone 11 Pro. Yes girl. Coming to my phone. Okay guys, because I'm still gonna figure out how to actually install my screen protector. I'm not gonna remove this. I've seen YouTubers doing like this. No, I'm not gonna do it. because I'm still need to figure it out. I'm still gonna be touching my phone, you know, but I just want to open it on camera. I hope you don't disappoint me. And right, welcome to Samsung. Okay, let's open it. I think this is where I should open it. It's an apple. It's an apple. Guys, it's an apple. It's an apple for real. It's an apple. It's an apple. This is an apple. Okay, I have an apple. 3 camera. Okay, open up, open up, open up. Hello. The hell I want? Swipe. Okay, I will do the setup. Guys, why the lighting? Yes. So I'm just gonna do like some setup. English. Select your country or a region. I'm like a South African. I'm a South African. Guys, I have an iPhone. People, I have an iPhone. Not just iPhone 11 Pro. So guys, oh, where's South Africa? I need South Africa. I don't want to make this video long, but I must do this. I need to South Africa. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in setup. If your other iPhone or iPad doesn't show option, I like this is actually my first for setting up this iPhone. Make sure it's running iOS 11 or later and has Bluetooth turned on. You can also set up this iPhone manually. Set up manually because Ngani, can you please bring me my old phone? Please, where is it? Okay. We need this phone for the password so that I can actually set up. I have an iPhone. I have an iPhone. Okay, this is actually the phone. Why I even have the guts to actually bring this phone here? Because the girl is like, okay. I'm like on some level. I'm on some level. You guys forgive me. I keep looking at the screen because I'm cute. Did you find it? Babe. Okay, let me see. The password is, I need a password. Spelling. I don't know whether this is 0 or what. But there's been 0 and password. Oh no. Okay, I'm connecting. Oh, good to go. Next. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Ooh, show the people what iPhone is saying to me. Okay. So guys, because this is actually my first time having an iPhone, so it will take some time. My Face ID. Okay, I'm gonna do my Face ID. Get started. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a cycle. Oh, I need to do like it to show all the angles of your face. My friend been like me saying I have a face recognition on my phone, and dude, I have it as well. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let me get started. Yes. My scan was complete. Move your head up slow. Second one, Face IDs now said, create your password. What will be my password? How about 2020? Because 2020 have been so good to me. 2020 have been like, you know, with all the coronavirus going on, but the girl been achieving some, okay guys, let's be honest. What will be my password? Friend, help out. You password, dummy?
20 plenty.
20 plenty. Okay, but anyway, to keep it short and simple, I'll be like, data. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPhone. Restore from iCloud backup. Restore from Mac to PC. Transfer directly from iPhone. Move data from Android. Can I move data from Android? Because let me just see that if you have an Android phone or tablet, you can transfer your photos, messages and more to this. No, I want to start actually afresh. Don't trust. Sign in with the Apple ID to use iCloud, and I don't have it. Or don't have an Apple ID. I don't have it. Forget. You know what, guys, before like I get this video into, like make it long, I'm gonna cut it. Oh my god, so cute. Anyway, you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please make sure that you give it a huge thumbs up, like, share and comment. I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah! Cheers.